This is Ken with McDaddy's Pressure Washing and Powerhouse Pressure Washing. There's Gregory over there who owns Powerhouse. We're doing a membrane roof that's 84,000 square feet. That area that you're looking at, we've already finished. And the very last of it's this right here. See the guys, we got 4 of us working today. See off the back of the building over here. Still got to clean this little runway here. There's my McDaddy vehicle down there. Way down at the other end, you can see Powerhouse Pressure Washing. We're doing this another Powerhouse. See all the crud that we're cleaning here. Well, most of it's done. Then we're going to do 4 sides of the building. We've already done the groundwork in the front and the 2 sides. You can kind of see right there how we're closing it out. We still got to do another bleach treatment. We'll really whiten it up. But that's Powerhouse Pressure Washing and McDaddy's Pressure Washing working together to clean the CNC manufacturing building. 8,400 square foot membrane roof. Thanks for watching.